Ano kasi kami, food critic. Feeling lang. We have high standards when it comes to baked goods. kasi feeling namin magaling kami. Feeling lang. We have the authority. So yun.
Take out the
Yes. So I'm gonna try the egg tart. This is the egg tart. It's not as sweet as I expected, but it's very eggy. It's better than the other one.